Hello my lovelies, welcome to Whitney's Wonderland YouTube channel. Today's video is about testing Louboutin makeup. This is a very luxurious brand and it is fairly new, so I thought it would be fun to open these beautiful products and try them and see what we think about them. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, please remember to rate and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you don't already, also follow me on Instagram at Whitneys_Wonderland as I am posting daily content there too. Okay, so let me start with the presentation of the products. The presentation is really luxurious. I have not seen many beauty products presented like this. You may be wondering why this nail is not painted, and it is because I'm going to paint it with you guys. The rest I already did. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys the nail polish. Believe it or not, this is a nail polish, right? How sick is that? It's just so sleek, so elegant. I didn't even know it was a nail polish, and it opens just like that. That is the box. And then you have the nail polish. Look at that. This is gorgeous. These are not the most travel-friendly products, but they are Louboutin. They are not meant to be the most comfortable. They're meant to be the most glamorous. And this is certainly glamorous. I have a couple of Louboutin nail polishes, so let me know if you'd like me to review more. I thought I'd try this one with you because I love the color. Here is the brush. You can see right there. It's just a regular brush. It's like a darker red, but with hints of like orange, but very, very little. So I am gonna paint this nail with you guys. So let me come a little bit closer. I'm just gonna paint it right there so you guys can see. One of the things is that it is not very heavy. Like when you see the presentation, you could think it is actually like a heavy nail polish, but it's not. It's just as easy to apply as any other, except that I'm doing it on the video right now, so it's not as easy. I just want you to see the color. I actually think it is quite easier to apply than a regular nail polish because this gives you a lot of hope. See, it's a great present for your girls for Valentine's Day or just simply to wear on your nails on this love month. Next product I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful lipstick and this is the iconic Louboutin lipstick, just like the shoes. First of all, let me show you this presentation. How insane is that? It is like a necklace, and put it on, right? Okay. So you can even wear it as a necklace. It's just that pretty. And then you open it, and inside the cover is red. It is one of my favorite lipsticks at the minute. So we're gonna try it together. See, it's like really strong. It's red, but it has hints of orange. It is strong. It lasts all day because I've tried it, but it doesn't dehydrate your lips, which is very, very important and something I want to point out because sometimes matte lipsticks really dry your lips, but it's not the case with this one. And that takes me to the next lipstick. So I thought it would be fun to do the bottom lip of one color and the other one of the other and then try them out. This one is the Rouge lipstick, the traditional Christian Louboutin and the iconic Christian Louboutin. The Rouge. This one is the Zulu lipstick, which is the same presentation, same box. There you go. And here is the color. This is more of a brown. So let's try Zulu on. Okay, so I'm gonna try Zulu on the top so we can see the color. This I haven't tried before, so I'm trying it with you guys for the first time. I love how pigmented these lipsticks are. I love this lipstick with my eyeshadow today actually. So here we have the Zulu and here we have the Rouge. We are gonna try the beautiful eyeliner. So we have got, this is the Lady Twist, and this is, I think this is the one that's a little bit blue. And then we also have, this one is the Kohl, so this is the black one. Let me show you guys. That's the Kohl. And this is Lady Twist, the blue one. So it's a really dark blue, but it's lovely, lovely color.
And I think it's great if you're brunette like me to use some blue as well.
Okay, so now I'm going to apply one on each eye. So one of the things I want to tell you guys is Louboutin Beauty doesn't do skin yet, but I'm hoping they bring out more makeup because I already love these products. Okay, so here comes the liner.
I'm going to use the camera as a mirror. Otherwise it's going to be hard. So here I got the Lady Twist, which is a dark blue. I love it. I think it's a beautiful color. And on this side, I have the Kohl, which is the black, the traditional black. It's very black, it's lovely. And I think the blue is really nice with my brown eyeshadow actually.
So one of the things I want to point out to you guys is that the brush is extremely precise. And the reasoning being that the brush is really strong as well. So you know how some brushes are too soft? This one is not easy for you to get that perfect cat eye that some of us struggle so much with. The next product I'm going to show you guys is the Louboutin Kohl Mascara. Look at that presentation.
Wow, it's just so beautiful. So we're going to apply it together. I have never tried this mascara before. So let's do it. Let's take it out of the beautiful package. Again, this is the very, very first time I use this mascara. So it's proper first impressions. I'm already loving that brush. Look at that. I can already tell it's going to be good just because of looking at the brush. It really grabs your eyelashes. Okay, all done with the mascara and I love it. Love, love, love it.
And last but not least, I'm going to show you guys the beautiful perfume from Louboutin. This is called Trouble in Heaven perfume.
Gorgeous is that. The bottle is stunning. And look, a little message inside, especially for you, on every bottle. I just think it's so elegant, so sweet.
Oh, okay, so this scent, I would describe it as very elegant, full of passion, very like classic but glamorous as well. Beautiful, beautiful scent. Like really sexy as well, you know what I mean? So it's perfect for Valentine's. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed discovering more of the new range of Louboutin products. If you want to know more about Louboutin products or another brand you'd like me to review, please leave me a comment on the description box. Also, tune in because right before Valentine's Day, I have a very special video for you. And it is my makeup tutorial and I will feature some of Louboutin products and also other products you guys I know will adore. See you next week for another video. Remember to always stay positive and spread the light.